Hello, third grade. Today I'm going to show you how to add the buildings to your 1-point perspective project, okay? So last class we did the road, the sidewalk, and the trees. Today we're going to add the city on the other side. Just like last time, you want to have an eraser, a ruler, and a pencil, okay? Just like our trees, our buildings are also going to get smaller the closer they get to our vanishing point. We're going to start with our first city right at the edge and bottom of our paper right here. Okay, you can make it any height you would like. I'm just going to start it right at the bottom. Okay? Next, what you want to do is you want to take the top corner, both top corners here, and you want to connect them in a line to your vanishing point. So I'm going to make my building about 2 centimeters big. I'm creating the side of my building right here, and I'm going to draw a straight line down. Okay, this is the wall, and then I need to draw my line across. Okay, so there's 2 different ways I can do this. If I want to imagine that this building is actually a lot bigger, then I can just draw a straight line across. That means that my building would be a lot bigger. If I am assuming that this is the side of my building, I also need to connect this line to my vanishing point, something like this, okay? And then I would draw my line straight across, and any extra line that I have, I would then take my eraser and get rid of it, okay? So there's building number 1. To start building number 2, it's going to be behind building number 1. So I need to imagine that this is the side of my building. Draw my building across. This is the top of it. And then I'm going to make it this big here. Okay? Now, your buildings do want to get a little bit smaller as you go to your vanishing point, but in a city, you do have buildings of all different sizes. So I could make all the buildings get slowly taller and taller into the distance, or they could slowly get shorter and shorter. Either is fine. Okay? I'm going to do my same thing here. Let me connect my 2 top lines to my vanishing point. I'm going to draw my straight line down. And then my line across. Okay? I'm going to do this at least 2 more times. I want at least 2 more buildings. This one I'm going to make right here. Notice this building is smaller. I am going to try to get a smaller one here. And do the same thing. If the dots help you, go for it. Okay? Now, when you're done making at least 2 more buildings, next I'm going to show you how to add the windows to your buildings. Okay?